Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to share photos and videos just by holding the top of your iPhone close to another iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have two different iPhones. So firstly, on each of your iPhone, just turn on the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth. So on the other iPhone device also, just turn on the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth. And after that, just open the settings and just click on this general. Now you will see here airdrop, just click on it. Now just enable this option, bringing device together, just enable it. So similarly on the other iPhone devices also, just enable the same option, just enable this bringing device together on the other iPhone device also. And after that, just open the photos application, and now just select the respective image or video file. So you can select multiple image or video files. Now just place this iPhone just above the other iPhone. So let me show you, just like this. So you can see here, so both are connected. Now just tap on this share option. So you can see it's sending the respective image file. So you can clearly see I have received an image file on the other iPhone devices. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily share photos and videos just by holding the top of your iPhone close to another iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.